How to draw a double arrow in Excalidraw. So let's say, for example, you want to just put one arrow on the right and one arrow on the left. So how do I do that? Simply just go ahead and click the arrow tool right here at the top, right? And I'm gonna just point right here to the left. And as you can see right here, I could place it wherever, right? I could just make it, like this to make it more appealing, or I could just, make it straight arrow, right? So basically what I'm gonna do, I could just minimize it, make it smaller, bigger, and I can place it somewhere differently, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I could just right here click arrow again, and I can add another arrow from the right, all right? And I can change the color. So basically I can just change it to red, green, and I can make this one blue, right? And as you can see, I can place it to whatever I want. Same goes with this one, right? I can just make it smaller, right? And make it like this, and I can just place it wherever I want. So basically that's how you do the double arrow. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.